This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, LinkedIn announces new AI features for users. Waze introduces a new feature for compatible EV charging stations. Microsoft launches Minecraft natively on Chromebooks, and more. LinkedIn has announced new AI-powered features that will generate content for users' profiles and job descriptions as part of its efforts to enhance the hiring process and collaboration on the platform. One of the tools announced will scan users' profiles for skills and experiences and suggest copy or summaries to add to other profile sections. The company recommends users review and edit the generated content to ensure accuracy and alignment with their tone and experience. The tool will be available for testing starting today, with access being expanded to all LinkedIn Premium subscribers over the next few months. Another tool promises to make writing job descriptions faster and easier. Employers will provide information about the role, including title and the company name, and LinkedIn's tool will generate a description that the hiring manager can then edit. This tool is also aimed at streamlining the hiring process. LinkedIn's parent company, Microsoft, is heavily investing in OpenAI, the developer of AI models used in these tools. The company is pouring billions of dollars into the development of advanced AI technologies, including OpenAI's ChatGPT and GPT models, which are being used to power LinkedIn's new AI features. Google-owned mapping app Waze is introducing a new feature to help electric vehicle owners find compatible chargers. After users enter their vehicle models and plug type into the app, they'll be able to find the nearest EV charging stations. Waze has enlisted help from its community map editors to ensure that details about these stations are accurate and up to date. The feature will be rolled out worldwide in the coming weeks. Last year, Google updated its Maps app to let EV owners find the charger based on their vehicle's plug type, while last month it integrated maps into some EVs from manufacturers such as Polestar, Volvo, General Motors, and Renault. In other news, Microsoft has announced the launch of an early access version of Minecraft Bedrock Edition on Chrome OS, allowing the game to run on Chromebooks. This move will bring cross-play device with friends, support for playing on Realms, and access to the marketplace to Chromebook users. The new version of Minecraft is designed to run on Chromebooks that meet the minimum specifications. Previously, Chromebook users had to use a workaround or settle for Minecraft Education Edition, which required a school license or an Office 365 education account. The early access version of Minecraft on Chrome OS is being launched to test the game's performance before it's made available to more players. Mojang, the Microsoft-owned developer of Minecraft, plans to spend the coming weeks fixing bugs to avoid performance issues. Microsoft's move to expand Minecraft to another platform comes at the company's attempt to win over regulators for its proposed Activision Blizzard acquisition. Mojang doesn't have a confirmed release date for the full version of Minecraft on Chromebooks just yet, but once it's officially released, everyone with a compatible Chromebook will be able to download it from the Google Play Store. Wireless carrier T-Mobile has announced that it is acquiring Mint Mobile, a budget-friendly mobile carrier that is partly owned by actor Ryan Reynolds, in a deal valued up to $1.35 billion. The move comes as T-Mobile aims to expand its prepaid phone offering. The acquisition includes a 39% cash and 61% stock purchase of Mint's parent company, Kalina Corporation. Once the deal closes later this year, Mint's founder, David Glickman, and Rizwan Qasim will join T-Mobile to continue managing the brand. Reynolds, who first bought an ownership stake in Mint in 2019, will continue his creative role on behalf of Mint. The acquisition could also help T-Mobile claw back customers it lost when it sold Boost Mobile to Dish as part of its merger with Sprint. Finally, Zipline, a company that specializes in delivering medical supplies and other goods via drones, has unveiled its next-generation autonomous drone platform. The platform includes an updated drone called the P2 Zip and a droid that autonomously maneuvers down a tether from the drone, steering to the target location and gently delivering its content before being zipped back up. The droid has onboard sensors and 3 fans to help it combat changes in wind or other environmental factors for more accurate delivery. The P2 Zip has a 10-mile service radius when delivering a package and coming straight back to a single dock. The new delivery platform includes docking and charging hardware that can be attached to the outside of any building or set up as a freestanding structure. Zipline plans to conduct over 10,000 flight tests this year using about 100 aircraft and aims to deploy the new system by early next year. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.